Good afternoon, YouTubers, back again, part 1 of changing my gear oil for the Kymco on the Super 8 50cc. I did have a really good video, unfortunately my phone has lost it. Okay, let's start off. First of all, you need your gear oil. Make sure you buy the correct brand for your bike. And I bought a sauce bottle. Okay, now use that sauce bottle. Okay, first you obviously want to put some paper down so that you can, there. Now you've got your first bolt there, that's your top bolt, and underneath you've got another bolt. That bolt is used for your drain, so you place your cup, put it under there, undo the bolt, and then remove all the oil. Make sure that you've gone for a drive on your bike so that the oil is all nice and hot and warm to come out. Okay, and then it's simple. When you want to, well, what I've done is I use my sauce bottle, and you stick that in there and squeeze oil into the area, and make sure you only fill it up to there. When the oil starts dribbling out, you know that's the amount you need to use, and that's it. Okay. Well, hit that like, hit the subscribe. Awesome. And again, changing the gear oil for a Kymco Super 8 50cc. I've already done a change for the spark plug. You have to remove that seat to get to the front. Okay. Unfortunately, I don't need to change it, so I can't do a video. Once again, buy your correct oil. Buy a sauce container. Kymco Super 8. Okay, thanks very much.